Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start fourth chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. This chapter we are going to start diary writing. See, you all have done the questions related to diary writing. What is the importance of diary writing and what is it related to Anne Frank? This we are going to start in the chapter. So here we begin. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings, meaning sayings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Anne Frank has started writing diaries. And she is saying, she is sharing her experience that diary writing is really an experience which is very strange to her. Because she has never written anything before. Or it is strange because she thinks that nobody would have any interest to read whatever a 13-year-old girl has written in her diaries. A school girl or whatever she has written, nobody will have any interest to know about it. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Though she knows while starting diary writing that nobody would have any interest to read whatever she has written, whatever one 13 years old girl has written. But she said, I wanted to write diaries, that's why I have started writing. Paper has more patience than people. This is very important saying, and most of the time questions are coming in from board as well. That I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. She said that paper has more patience than people, because if you share your secrets with people, there are chances they would not be able to keep your secrets. There are chances they would not pay so much respect towards your feelings, but paper has more patience. And she says that this most of the time she used to feel bored because she didn't have very good friends. So finally, out of boredom, out of this feeling that paper has more patience, she said that she started writing diary. I finally stayed where I was, Broadings. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff-bagged notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. She thought because the diary, whatever she is writing, she would not going to share it with anyone unless or until she would find any good friends. So that's why she thought she could pour her hearts out in the form of diary. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. And now at last she said, the best thing, the best reason why she had started writing diary is she did not have a friend. She did not have a friend with whom she can share her feelings. That's why she had started sharing her feelings to the paper. Because this is the main reason. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. She said, now let me be more frank, because nobody would believe that in this world a 13-year-old girl could be so alone. And I am not. I have loving parents and a 16 years old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. She said, yes, it was correct. I was not alone. My parents were there with me. And I had a loving family also. One 16 years old sister, as well as I had about 30 friends whom I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts and good home. She said, yes, it was absolutely correct. I had a loving family, aunts and a good home. It means enough people were there around me. No, on the surface I seems to have everything except one true friend. But it seems that I had everything except one true friend, except one good friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. She said I had many friends, but with my friends I was unable to express, to pour out my heart. I was sharing with them the day-to-day ordinary things, but not the secrets of my heart. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. My real problem was there, though so many friends were there with me, family friends, family members, other friends, but no one was there very close to me. This was the problem. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other. She said, I am not blaming anyone. Maybe it was my fault that I could not have confidence on anyone else. That is why they also did not show any confidence in me. In any case, that's just how things are. And unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I have started the diary. She said, I know anyway what was the reason, leave it. Whether I did not have faith in them, whether nobody else had good confidence in me, but the final result was I don't have any loyal friends, and the situation was also not going to change. That is why I have started writing diary. To enhance the image of this long-awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. But I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. Now she said, I waited for long for this friend of mine. But unfortunately, I couldn't have this friend, this good friend. That is why now I have started to have confidence in my diary, and I will call it as my best friend. And she is going to call her diary as Kitty. That my friend Kitty. She had given her diary a name, my Kitty. So, till this paragraph, we got to know Anne Frank at the age of 13 years started writing diaries. And when she was writing diaries, she did not know that in future anybody would have any interest to read her ideas, to read about what was her feelings. Because she did not have a good friend, that's why she had started writing diary. Out of these paragraphs, you will solve these questions. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? Why does Anne want to keep a diary? Why did Anne think she could confine more in her diary than in people? So these 3 questions answer you will solve out of the explanation you have heard right now. Since no one would understand a word of my stories of Kitty if I were to plunge right in, I would better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. She said, if directly I will start telling you about my diary, nobody will feel good to know about it. Nobody could be able to correlate it. So first of all, I should tell me about my life. First of all, I should tell me about whatever had happened with me. Though these memories she was not able to cherish. So she said that I dislike doing so. It means this disliking Why we dislike certain things? Because the happy memories are not associated with it. So those memories are related to bad thing or something which is pessimistic in approach. That is why we don't want to remember this thing. So dear children, it shows that Anne Frank was not happy with whatever was happening with her at that time when she was 13 years old. That is why she had selected to write diary, but she was not feeling happy to describe her childhood. But anyways, she had started telling it.